Hey everyone, I hope you're staying safe out there. Because everyone is staying home in lockdown mode, I thought I'd make this quick video to bring you some entertainment. This video is about what self-quarantine looks like versus what it feels like. Enjoy. Self-quarantine, what it looks like. Self-quarantine, what it feels like. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now on a more serious note, I hope you guys are staying productive while you're locked up. It's super important to keep your mind and body active at this time. It's super easy to use what's going on in society as an excuse to lay around and do nothing. Here are some things you can do to stay active. Work out at home. Fix the door you broke for a video. Take your dog for a walk. If you don't have a dog, pretend you do and walk around the neighborhood with an empty leash. If walking is not for you, use a scooter or skateboard and ride around your neighborhood. As a gift to you, here's a compilation of me falling to get footage for this video. I'd like to thank everyone that came out to watch me do this, meaning all of the kids watching me in the neighborhood. It was a fun show. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're new to this channel, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.